Hello, welcome to the demonstration of Forest Glen's golf schedule of events. We want you all to be familiar on how to use this schedule of events because this is what we're going to be using to sign up for club events. That includes Nine and Dines, club championships, and even Sunday couples. You will also be able to have the ability to sign up for leagues in their specific golf schedule of events as well. Regardless of the format or the league, the process is all the same. Let's get through it today. So, how do we find this website? When you go to forestglengcc.com, your member portal account, and you click on golf, and then you see at the top of the page, golf resources, there is a link to the Chelsea website, local rules, and also this golf schedule of events. Clicking that link will bring you here. I suggest that you save this page to your preferred browser so it's easy to get back and forth from, as you will be using this often. Now, once you're on this page, you will see the active tournaments. In this case, you see over to the left, it says open behind a green background. So that means that registration is open. And you can see right below that, it says closes on September 24th at noon. And so if the event is not open, it will show when it does open. And if it is open, it'll show when it's closed, as it does here. Let's say we want some more information on the event. Well, we're going to click View. And this is going to bring us to our next step. So from here, we can read about what the event is, the format, how it will be scored, the date, any other important information. Now let's move into the next step. Let's say we want to actually register for this event. So we are going to click this button over here to the left, register now for Summer Series. Now you see here, we have 4 options. We're just going to discuss 3 of them because the bottom is exactly what we just saw, the directory of league and events. We are going to go through these 3 examples and we're going to show you how to use each one so that you feel confident every time you come to this site. Let's get started with new registration. It's as simple as that. You click here. Now I'm going to click into the white field box. I'm going to type in my last name, enter, and I'm going to hit continue. Simple enough, right? Now you can see, so my name, my status is complete. I can hide the player details. I can show them. All my information is right here. Now, what happens if you want to add a member or you want to add a guest? Well, in this case, we're going to add another member to my team. If the guest feature is within that event, you will see another button that will say Add Guest. Keep in mind, you do need your guest's GIN number to be able to sign up for any event. So when you sign up for member guests, whether it's the LGA or MGA one-day member guest, you will need to have GIN numbers available from your guests. We're just going to do an example today here. I'm going to add another member, my partner to the team, Mr. Khalil. There he is. So you see, all I did was type in his name, and now him and I are registered as a twosome. All of his information is here. If I added the wrong player by accident, I can always click remove. That's not the case. If you want to add another player, you can add up to 4 for this specific event. Once we're confident that our names are here, all we're going to do is click confirm. And it's that simple. Registration successfully changed. It's really that easy. Okay, that brings us back to our page. What happens if immediately upon registering 2 of us, we get a phone call and our third buddy wants to join? Okay, well, let's go to edit registration. And here you can see it brings me right back to the page where we were. So if I want to add a third or a fourth player to my group, all I need to do is just click that and again, type in that member's last name. We're going to remove that. I'm actually going to cancel. And let me go back into the edit registration because let's say you need to swap a partner out. So my partner calls and they can't make it. what I'm going to do is click this red button, cancel this player's registration. Are you sure? Okay. Yes. Now, he has been canceled. Do you see here? My name, it still says complete. Michael's name says canceled. So I'm still in. He is now out. If I want to restore this, I will go back and click the button here. So just for the sake of demonstration purposes for the next step we're going to see, I'm actually going to click restore this player's registration. So I'm going to restore. So now you see his status just changed to complete again. So he is good. He is now back in the event. But you would go and click edit registration if you want to add anybody else to your name, to your tee time, or you need to swap any players out. All right, I'm going to confirm one more time. I'm going to hit save. Now we're going to go into the list of participants. So this comes up where if you want to know who signed up and who signed up with who, this will give you the list of participants that have signed up together, whether they signed up as a 4-ball, a single, a 3, or a 2. You can get an idea of who's playing and who signed up with who. Let me go back to the directory here, back to the main page. And as you can see, we are right back where we started. So again, save this page to your preferred browser. It's very simple to just bookmark it in. If you use Google Chrome, if you use Safari, in my case, go to the top right part of the corner, look for bookmark tab, hit the star button, or ask somebody in the golf shop if you have any questions. This is a new way that we are going to be signing up for events. So again, 9 and Dines, couples events on Sundays, club championship, anything that the club is hosting, the event will be here in the golf schedule of events. We look forward to this new process as it's going to be much easier once everybody gets the hang of it, and it will be able to give a lot more flexibility and a lot more transparency on how you're playing, who you're playing with, and it'll be more information altogether from start to finish of each event or each league day. We hope you have a great day, and thank you for your time.